Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know that withdrawing USDT from platforms like Roqqu can feel a bit intimidating at first. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through it step by step. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its stability, and Roqqu is a reliable platform for managing your digital assets. By the end of this video, you'll be withdrawing your funds with confidence. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Roqqu account. If you don't have one, head over to the Roqqu website and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section. This is where you'll see all your holdings, including your USDT balance. Next, look for the Withdraw option, usually found as a button or tab within your wallet. Select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be minimum withdrawal limits or network fees, so double-check those to avoid any surprises. This is crucial. Input the recipient's wallet address. Make sure it's a valid USDT address, probably on the Tron or Ethereum network, depending on what Roqqu supports in 2025. Double-check this address to prevent any loss of funds. It's like double-checking your bank details before a transfer. Before you hit confirm, if Roqqu has two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, you'll need to verify that. It's an extra layer of security that's a must in the crypto world. Once verified, review the withdrawal details one last time, then confirm the transaction. You'll likely get a confirmation email or in-app notification. After that, keep an eye on your transaction status. Roqqu should show you the progress, and it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Your USDT should now be in your external wallet. A quick tip. Always withdraw to a wallet you control, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, consider testing with a small amount first. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.